In the beginning there is a floating cone called Radu. There is nothing else and it was very dark.
Raleigh was full of energy that got hotter and burnt two holes in the cone, one at the top and one at the bottom. The energy rushed out and the cone collapsed into a sphere which was then known as Earth.
As the energy rushed out, it became fire and many other things spilled out.
Now the energy had formed into life. Many animals shot out and fell onto Earth. The energy also formed gigantic glaciers around the Earth. The glaciers soon melted into oceans.
Other things that spilled out were the sun, the moon, and stars. At this time, the sun was just a core. It was also very mossy. A bit of the moss fell onto Earth and grew into plants.
One of the other things that came out was a phoenix. The phoenix quickly rushed past the sun, setting the moss on fire. That was how the sun got fire, but Turtle wanted more planets.
There was 2 turtles on Earth which made 8 legs, so they wanted there to be 8 planets. The turtles chipped off 8 pieces of Earth. The gas settled on some of the pieces of Earth. The gas made the pieces bigger and into planets. That created 4 gas planets.
Some of the other pieces weren't affected there as planets. Some fire got onto Venus and heated it up. That was how our solar system was created.